full version of a byte array, and we have calibrate function, we have compile function, we have exact function, we have so many other functions. So now let us see for the sum function. We were discussing about the sum function, right? So it is going to give the sum of the number of the iterable object in the list. Okay. Now I'll just take up another new Python file. Sum. Okay. Now I'll just choose this control. So what I've done, I've created a list, right? And then I'm performing a sum function to it, and then I'm returning this particular variable. Yes. So I'll just execute this. 7 and 17. 4 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 7. Then what is it? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 10, 7. So I just wanted to show you all that, like this also, it is one like sum function. So how we are going to do? Variable is equals to sum is nothing but a function, and then pass a list to it. So this is how you perform your sum of function, built-in function. I hope the things are clear now. Okay. Now coming back to your next one, that is your any function. So what does your any function do? So the Python any function returns true if any item in an iterable is true. Otherwise, it returns as a false. Okay. I hope you are able to see the PPT, and you have the definition for it there. So the Python any function returns true if any item in an iterable is true. Otherwise, it turns out to be a false one. So let's check with an example for it now. So it's time for the example on any function. Okay, I'll just take up new Python 5 any. Okay, Python 5, right? I'll just take up a program for it now. Then PyCharm, yes. So just take out here, I've taken up a list 4320. Okay, then L is equals to 0, false, right? Just check out, we'll run the program and then we'll check who with the First, what is the definition? Come again. So the Python any function returns true if any item in an iterable is true. 4 is true, 3 is true. These are nothing but true values, right? So we consider them to be a true. But you have a one false value, right? So it is going to give you a true here. Okay. Now 0 and false are false value, that is nothing but no existence. So it is going to return as false. Here 0, false, and 5, we have a one iterable true value, so it returns a true. Here we have an empty. Empty is nothing but a false value here in a built-in function, so it is going to return a false value. Suppose I make this as 1. Now let us run it. It turns out to be true. If at all I make this as 2, again run. True, because you have one iterable value, right, in each list. So that is why you are getting it as it is returning it as a true one. I hope the things are clear with your any function. Now coming back to your few more built-in functions, that is your eval and float. Okay, just go to the PPT once. So what does your eval function do? So the Python eval function passes the expression passed to it and runs the Python expression code within the program. So we'll just execute the program and then we'll come back to it. So sorry. Okay. I'll take up a new page, new Python 5. So which program are we executing? We are executing with the eval, right, function. Okay, this is your Python 5. Now what I've done, I've taken a variable called x is equals to a, and here I'm trying to evaluate it, right? I'm trying to evaluate it. So when I try to evaluate it, I'll just run it. 9. The evaluate function is used to evaluate a expression, right? So the Python eval function passes the expression passed to it and runs the Python expression code within the program. It is going to evaluate this particular expression and then give me the sum. That is nothing but, as it said, what does it say? It is gonna evaluate a expression which is being passed to it, and then it is gonna run that particular evaluation in the code within the program. It is gonna evaluate and return a particular value. That is what they are trying to tell there. Coming back to your Python float. So the Python float function, I just shared you the screen. So the Python float function, what it is gonna do? It is gonna return a floating point number from the number of strings. We'll just execute a small program in here itself. Okay, Control C. Yeah. Okay. Just a second. I'll just take the one more page. Python 5. This is your float, right? Built-in functions. These all are your built-in functions, right? The existing ones. Okay. See here, float 9.9 is there, but when I run the program, it should show as 9.0. So let me check if it gives me. Yes, 9.0, 8.19, minus 24.7, right? Yes. Yes or no? So it is going to return. I have passed here only 9, but it is giving me 9.0, which is nothing but your float. If I give here it as an int one, so what is going to happen? Let's just check. I'll just rerun it. 9, right? Got the difference? I hope you all got the difference over there. Now, in the last statement, string float error. It will throw an error. Why? Because it could not convert string to float. So that